and deep, eh?
Yeah. Maybe like 15 seconds and then
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at 308.
see what's up.
Yes.
Gonna happen, make sure to get your phones out.
It's actually such a cool shot. Too expensive. How does it feel driving the S3?
Insane, dude. It's crazy.
Is it nice, dude?
You know what? Like I said in previous videos to you, Keegan, I'm sold, but now I'm like, I need to start a kidney, dude.
Yeah, dude. We'll
Now
make it happen.
I'm contemplating which side.
Yeah, I think
side
left, eh? I think
Left,
the
yeah.
right one is better.
Oh, dude.
It's fine. We'll rob a bank.
Oh.
I know a guy.
Oh, man. Oh, it's just something else, dude. Honestly.
You know how much better it feels from the passenger seat. I love it.
It's a different feeling in the passenger seat,
It
eh?
is, eh? It really is.
Oh, bro. Dude, it's so quick, bro. Flipping out.
Dude, you look like you belong in this car, dude.
Dude, I do. Well, not this car. This car is yours.
Yeah.
I belong in an S3.
Yes.
Next to you or behind you. One of the two.
Yes, 100%.
Dude. Oh, thanks for letting me drive, bro. Appreciate it.
No, of course, bro. Not a great angle.
yo, ladies and gentlemen, everyone needs to head over to Keegan's TikTok.
Beautiful S3.
Yes, I'll link it down below and I'll also put it on the screen. Go and tell him thanks a lot for, first of all, featuring his car on the channel, and second of all, letting me drive his car. It is freaking insane. It is beautiful, ladies and gentlemen.
It's almost as beautiful as you, bro.
Oh, thanks dude. I appreciate it. I see. Oh guys, geez, the S3 is the way. One day, soon, eventually, there will be one on the channel and we'll have a lot of S3 content coming between you and I. We'll do lots of things.
100%, dude.
Oh,
It's gonna be sick.
legendary. So yeah guys, racing was a bit of a flop. So we're heading off to do other things now. So if things happen, it'll be on the video. If not, see you in the next video.
Louder pops. Yeah, traction control tries to be off, and then sport plus.